Hey guys, it's Brian back again here with Hostirian, and today's topic is how to ask for reviews. There's a few things that you have to understand and get over before you can even get to the point of asking. Okay, the first thing is that 91% of people read online reviews. Okay, so saying that you don't or thinking that you don't need them is absolutely absurd. You have to have them. It's a big part of the shopping process and the journey that your customers take. Next thing, number two, 84% of people trust a local business more when they have reviews online and positive reviews at that. So again, it's a big part of your business. It's a part of the customer journey. When they go to look up your company to make sure that they're working with a legitimate business, this is one of the things they look for, reviews. So you can build some trust before they even see your face, before they even talk to you or see your product, okay? And number three, the other thing you have to understand is that over 70% of people trust a business more if they have positive reviews, and those positive reviews also impacting their buying decision. So what I'm trying to get at is that people buy online before they even see your business. So without you having those online reviews, you're out of the conversation. You're out of the conversation and someone's going to buy from you. So set yourself up for success, okay? Get those reviews, all right? So now we know they're important. The next thing is why you need to get over asking for it. A lot of people don't want to ask. They feel like they're bothering people, right? It's like, or maybe they're scared of rejection or something like that. These are things you have to let go in order to ask for a review. Because if any bit of that comes out while you're talking to people, you're starting to break your trust and your credibility and everything you worked so hard to get after you've already made your sale. So a couple more things now how to get over that part is that you have to understand that people are willing to give reviews. So don't be worried about being rejected. They know that they read some reviews before they came in here, and they know that without those reviews being left, they would have nothing to read. So people almost expect you to ask them to leave them a review. Almost expect it. Next is that people know they're helpful because, like I said, they read one before they came in. So they know that they want to talk to you, and they know that it's going to help the next person, and people like helping. You'd be surprised how people like to help people, right, when given the opportunity. Next, people also look for reviews. There's literally a lot of times, I've even done it myself, I've gone on and say, I'm looking for a review on this product. So I'm looking for, TV reviews. When I bought my TV, I was like, okay, I'm going to review this Roku TV. Roku, you can always give me a shout out if you want to. But I looked it up just like that, right? So people know that how valuable they are, so they want to give it. So now we know they're important. Now we know that people are expecting you to ask for it. Now, how do you actually ask for it? Really simple process here, guys. You want to keep it short and sweet. I also like to ask in text message or on social media. Those are some of my fun ways I like to do it. So there's a ton of different ways. You choose the ways that work for you. Obviously, I think text message is the best because that's the one that people respond to text. They do. That's just what the statistics show. But very simple process. Step number one, you want to thank them for their business. That's the first thing you want to do, okay? Let them know that you appreciate their business because obviously it's putting money in your pocket, food on your table. Two, you want to personalize it. So you want to talk about what you did for that person in particular, okay? The next thing you want to do is ask. You want to ask them to actually leave you a review. People leave out that step sometimes. And then the last step of this process is that you want to thank them again for leaving the review. Kind of thank them in advance for it. Okay, that's what I like to do. Expect they're going to give it and thank them for taking the time out of their day to do it. And you can keep it short and sweet, something like this. Thank you for your business today. We really appreciate you coming in. Having feedback from customers like yourself gives confidence to the next person trying to find the exact same car that you bought or whatever product it is. All right. So if you could take out about 60 seconds out of your day to leave us a review, that would be great to help out the next person. Thank you so much. Done. Short, sweet, right to the point. Now, I obviously was just kind of winging that, but you can see how easy it can be. So have some fun with it, personalize it yourself, but make sure you stick to that template, okay? So what I have here for you today, guys, is a tool to systematically ask for reviews. You can do this through email or you can do it through text. Text is my favorite. So jump on my calendar. I'll hook you up with this 30-day this 30-day trial of customer voice. We'll give you that opportunity to ask for reviews on a systematic basis. Okay. It's really cool. You can build templates and you can ask in a bunch of different ways. You can match it up to your products or services. I'll walk you all through that. Jump on my calendar. Let's start asking for reviews, guys. See you soon.